Good morning, Catch You Can Public Library users and lovers. It's Gayle, and it's Hug Your Dog Day. I hugged my dogs. This is Bella, this is Coco, and hiding over here somewhere is Bo. I noted that they kind of smell a little funky today, and it's been a long time in this isolation, so I thought we'd talk about grooming, nails, baths. Now these guys are poodles, so they are hair-bearing dogs. Their hair grows and has to be cut. They do not shed. I have allergies, so they're perfect for me, no shedding. And like I said, they need to be clipped regularly. Bella's a little bit on the long side, but not too bad. We like to keep them a little bit long. They play outside all the time. She has recently been to the vet and had all of her good stuff done that she needed for teeth cleaning and stuff, so you'll see she's got a couple of spots that look a little shorter and whatnot. So, cleaning. We actually take ours into the shower. We don't have a bathtub. The sink is way too small, so they like to go in the shower, and they actually enjoy it. Poodles like the water. They get nice and washed up. I'll post pictures later of them really clean. They're going out because it's sunny, so no sense doing them now. They require having their ears picked inside. There's these little hairs, and you sort of have to pick at that. Let's see if we can get in there. And it's just a little, and we just do it on a regular basis, so it's not something terrible. And hers are pretty good because, like I said, she's been to the vet recently before we took our quarantine. Now, let's take a look at her toes, seeing she's the one sitting here. She has nice white nails, and white nails are wonderful to be able to cut because you can see in there where the threads are. I'm going to do it on this one instead, Nathan. Ooh, and we even have a long one there. So these guys have practiced sitting on my lap for years. Usually we do this reclined a little bit. So she's actually being really good. I let her see it so she knows what's going to happen. And all of this stuff, as I said, we have been doing for a long time. So they're used to it. You need to play with your dog's feet and get them used to things. So you have your little clippers. You need to have the dog towards you, and you're going, it's okay. This way. I'm talking, so she's a little nervous. And you can see in there where the pink is. You do not want to get the pink. And we're only going to take off a teeny tiny bit. And that's all there is to it. Okay? And then I give them little huggies after each one. And because we're doing this and I'm talking, it makes her a little bit nervous. Okay? There you go. You can go. The other thing is on poodles and stuff, you have to trim around their little butts. In case you take your dogs to a groomer, you might want to know that kind of stuff because it can get messy back there. So make sure you trim there. Trim around the eyes. We use a pair of scissors that have these little ends on them so you can't poke the dog, because we certainly don't want to poke them. Look, over here I have Coco. He is very jealous. He wants his turn in the lap, and that's how they get. They will actually line up. There you go, Belle. Come on in, Coco. They line up because they all like their turn, and they think that they're being good by coming over here and letting us do it. Again, take a look at those nails. We'll do it one more time so you can get the idea. Okay, I love you too. I do. So there's the little nail. And note, I'm pulling the hair back because if you get the hair stuck in there, it will pull, and that's just no fun. We don't like anything that's not fun. So we're going to go up on that nail a little bit, and always take only a little bit at a time off, okay? Just a little at a time. And remember, give them lots of love. It's Hug Your Dog Day, but April is Pet Month, you know, so keep it going, have fun, and enjoy your pets. See you next time.